Everybody fucking jump!
Alright guys, welcome back to the Ozone. So we're going to start this one off. Let me see if I can get you some box footage. This one here is the Nike Air Max 720 Mesh Black, University Red, and Black again. I'm trying to get it up in here so you guys can see it good. This is a pretty good general release Nike. I wasn't really into the Air Max 720s, but after I started seeing a couple of pairs that I had to get some, so we're going to start. Let me just move this a little bit for you guys. We're going to start the Air Max collection going hard. I already ordered about 40 pairs for myself. We're going to go through every year of the Air Max, especially these 720s. I'm busting open all my Air Max 720s now. I have this shoe right here in about, I think, 13 colorways. I'm going to explain what a colorway is in a second because a lot of people don't really know what a colorway is. But the rest of this video is going to be dedicated to teaching you guys what a colorway is, so you can get your sneaker terminology up. Again, this is the Air Max 720 Mesh Black, University Red, and Black. Let's get to the next shoe, guys. Guys, here we go with the next shoe. I'm going to get you a little bit of box action, so I get that up there for you guys. We're going to also teach you a little terminology and sneaker talk. First off, this sneaker is a Nike GR, that stands for General Release, which is released to the public. I also call these type of shoes dad shoes. I just call them Nike General Releases. So if you're watching my show or following me on YouTube or whatever, this is just a general release Nike. Just a normal Nike that went to the store. This colorway is going to be the white on white colorway of the Nike Air Baseline Low. I'm going to give you guys a little bit of 360 action with the shoe. These are nice, aka dad shoes or broke man shoes if you can't afford Jordans or Yeezys, but you still want to have some nice shoes on your feet. These are them. I got these shoes for working out, deadlifting and the such, so they should serve that purpose pretty well. You might see the older gentleman wearing this shoe, but it's a very clean and nice shoe. If you guys got a chance to pick these up at your outlet, do so. On my quest to own one of every pair of sneaker ever made, I have to buy a lot of weird sneakers, but this one is an okay shoe. I got one that I'm going to keep dead stock, and like I said, one for working out. All right, let's get to the next shoe. All right, we're back. Now, this is what colorway means. This is the same shoe I just showed you, just in a different color. This is the Nike Air Baseline Low, black, and white. Give you some 360 action. This is another shoe I got for working out. Just when I hit the gym, you don't want to put any tear and wear on to any Jordans, Yeezys, or Dior's, or any type of good shoe. You get yourself a nice dad workout shoe, the AKA straight to the outlets or the outlet specials. You go in there, you can pick these up for about 20 to 50 bucks. You'll see a wide assortment. I can't remember what I paid for these. But these retail for 60 bucks, and you know in the outlet you'll get them for under 60. It's a clean shoe. No older gentleman or person working out should be embarrassed to be using this shoe. I wouldn't ball in it, but like I said, I got it for exercise. So squat to deadlift, bench presses, it won't matter. Just walk around with a clean shoe in the gym and style and profile. Alright, thanks guys for watching the video. Remember, comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about shoes. Let me know what shoes you guys want to see me buy next. Guys, one last thing before I forget. Again, this is what a colorway is. This is the same shoe. The shoe on the left is the white on white. The shoe on the right is the black on white. They're both Nike Air Baseline Lows. This is a colorway. All right, thanks for watching again, guys.
Everybody fucking jump!